If your 2023 Honda Accord won't connect to Apple CarPlay, don't head to the dealer just yet. The vast majority of connectivity failures are caused by software glitches rather than hardware defects. Let's walk through the exact steps to get your iPhone and Accord talking again. Start by refreshing the connection profile on both your phone and the Honda infotainment system. Sometimes the issue isn't the connection, but a setting deep within your iPhone's privacy menu. If wireless fails, try a high-quality cable to rule out a localized Wi-Fi interference issue. Distinguishing between a simple software bug and a physical port failure is your first priority. Data shows that a simple system reset solves the problem for 2 out of 3 Accord owners. If the basics fail, perform a hard reboot of the Honda infotainment head unit. Before paying for a diagnostic fee, verify that your phone's software is completely up to date. Modern cars are computers on wheels, and a simple reboot is often the most effective tool in your kit. Hopefully this got your maps and music back on screen. Stay safe and keep driving.